Hello guys, today let's solve the Leetcode problem number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. We're given a 3s. We need to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. It is very straightforward. Like this string ABC, it is the longest because there's no repeating characters. When it goes to A is a repeating character, so it is not the longest. For example, this B, it is only the longest is 1. For example, this one, it is KWE, it is 3, so the longest is 3. It cannot be longer. Let me first explain it in whiteboard. After that, I'll try to code it in Leetcode. For example, this is the first one, ABC, ABC, and BB. We need to have a left pointer and a right pointer because we want to solve it in sliding window. The left pointer, when it pointed to the A, so the right pointer will also pointed to the first one, pointed to the A. At the same time, we need to define a dictionary. So the dictionary will store the key value pairs. The key will be the character, and the value will be the index. So it is similar to toSum. We also need to have a dictionary to store the key value pairs. But in Leetcode problem 1, the key is the number, the value is the index. So here, the key is the character, the value is index. How to solve the problem, how to solve the longest substring? We want to have the longest should be R minus L plus 1. For example, if the right goes to C, what about the longest? The index 2 minus 0, 2 plus 1 is 3. But when it goes to A, as we can see, it is not longest. So inside of the dictionary, we need to update the key value pairs. So before it is A and 0, we need to update it to A and 3. After that, we need also to update, but before that, before we update this value, we need to find the left pointer. So the left pointer will be the max L and DC plus 1. So this means the DC plus 1. So here, A is already inside. The DA is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So the left pointer will shift to B because A has already inside. For example, if B goes to B, B has already inside. B will shift to C. But we need to have the max left, and because if there are some counter cases, the left pointer will not be D character plus 1. Maybe at the left side, it is the left pointer. For example, let me find a counter example. For example, if it is B, A, B, B, and A, let's try if this is a counter example. Before A is A and the dictionary is A and 0. When it goes to B, it is B and 1. So yeah, this is not a counter example. When it goes to B, B has already inside, so it will be B will be updated to number 2. Yeah, this is a counter example. Now let's shift to A. When it goes to A needed to be what? A needed to be DA plus 1. DA is 0 plus 1, it is 1, right? But we already know A cannot be 1. A should at least be 2 because here is the left side. The left side has already shifted to B. We cannot go back. So this means we must use a max L and DC plus 1 because this pointer can only go to the right side. If it is already here, it cannot go to the left side. Otherwise, we cannot get the right result. Now let's go back to the Leetcode question. As I already explained, we need a dictionary. I use D as a dictionary variable, and I use L as the left pointer, and the result is what we need to return. So I will define a dictionary, and the left pointer 0, and the result is 0. After that, I would to loop through the string for right pointer and the character in enumerate as. I would to check first if C is in D or not. If C is in D, as I already explained, we need to update the left pointer. So the left pointer will max L and DC plus 1. Then we need to check the result. So the result will always be the max result and R minus L plus 1. After that, we need to put the k-value pairs. As already explained, the k should be the character and the value should be the index R. After that, we can return the result. Let's first check if it is right. Yeah, let's submit it. Now let's calculate the time complexity. The time complexity is O(n) because there is only one loop, and the space complexity is also the space complexity is O26. It is O1 because there are 26 numbers, 26 lowercase characters inside. Because from the question, S is consists of English letters, digital symbols, or S is not. S may be other characters, but it is still O1 because there are only limited number of this kind of letters. Thank you.